来看有研究团队伫咧印尼发现一幅红色手印的壁画，经过鉴定发现，这幅图是对6万多年前留落来，正做上古早的壁画技术。
印尼甲欧洲来的研究人员伫苏拉威西岛的洞内发现真特别的岩石壁画，做比对分析了后，发现这画是甲石料喷伫砌伫洞内壁顶的手，形成一个外形。部分剪头仔尾原来有修过，看起来敢若亲像真尖的鸟。专家当时分析壁画顶的矿物层，发现时间至少伫67800年前，比进前伫西班牙发现的记录搁较早1100年，是上早的岩石壁画艺术。
This is a really exciting finding to find hands this old, but as you said, that timing is either really early humans were in that cave making hands, or potentially Denisovans were making hands.
这项发表伫自然期刊顶的研究，改变英国认为艺术起源伫欧洲的认知。科学家研判，这个手印的创作者可能甲当时生存的人类祖先地人，也是叫丹尼索瓦人的古人类同时代。当时研究嘛显示，早期人类迁徙路线，地人到包含澳洲甲新几内亚的沙乌陆平的时间，可能比英国所讲的搁较早15000年。
It is now officially the oldest known cave art in the world, which is really cool. I suspect it'll probably lose its title at some point in 2026, because again, as we're expanding using uranium series, as we're starting to just better understand how old some of the art is, I think more art which is contemporary to it will probably start to emerge.
印尼以有丰富的早期洞穴壁画出名。研究人员指出，新发现的红色手印壁画包含的信息是，当时人类已经有抽象思维，用艺术创作进行文化交流的能力。公司新闻张淑芬编译。